Call tracking allows you to place a trackable phone number in your partner's marketing material. It could be a local number or a toll-free number, and it allows us to track inbound calls. We create leads based on those inbound calls, and we even record the conversation so you can go back to it and listen to the conversation at any point in time. To set up the call tracking for a partner, you need to be within the Program Manager underneath your partner list. From here, you'll simply locate the partner account you want to set up call tracking for and click their name. So I'll click on Acme Communications Group. This loads the partner summary screen. We can see their contact information up at the top and any history notes located at the bottom. The area we want to focus on to actually configure and set up the partner account is this gray bar toward the middle of the page. These are actions that can be taken to set up the partner account, and as you can see, there's a call tracking tab within it. We want to click the call tracking tab, and this will bring us to the call tracking settings. So as you can see, currently trackable phone number is turned off for this partner. To turn it on, you'll choose the Yes radio button, and then this will load a set of options. The first option here is to select trackable phone number you would like to use. If you choose this drop-down box, a list of numbers will appear. As you can see right now, there's a list of toll-free numbers. If there's any local numbers available, they'll appear in this list to choose. Simply go through this list and choose the number you would like to use. So for example, we have some 866 numbers and we have an 888 number. So if the partner prefers an 888 number versus the 866, you'll just choose 888. Down below, there is a default forwarding number. This is the number that the trackable phone number will forward to. So what will happen is this 888 number will be placed within the market asset with an extension. The extension allows us to track which campaign the person dialed from, and then it will get forwarded to whatever number you specify here. When forwarding it to a partner's business line, I recommend not sending it to an auto attendant because it actually goes to a robot that tells you to push 1 for customer service, push 2 for billing. I typically recommend sending it directly to the sales manager or to whoever is going to handle that directly. This way, when it is dialed, it goes straight to the person that's familiar with the program or the marketing material that's being executed. So I'll type my phone number in here. And basically what will happen again, they dial this trackable phone number, it then gets forwarded to my number, and I'll receive that inbound call. Below, it'll ask you if you'd like to create a lead alert, and obviously we do. So anytime that phone number is dialed, we want a lead, and we want to be notified that a new lead's been generated. So we'll choose yes. Below are all the details of the lead. So here's the task details, the call. This is all default text. You can change this if you like. Typically recommend leaving what's here by default. The stage, it goes into the new stage. If you do customize lead stages, you obviously would want to select the lead stage that you've customized here to maybe phone, for example. But I'm going to leave it set to new. Who you'd like to assign it to, by default it goes to the record owner of the contact in the database, but again you can specify a specific person you want to assign the lead to, and then obviously if you'd like an email alert when this task is created. Once all these options here are filled out, you just want to click the save button, and this call tracking has now been set up. You'll see below here it says direct traffic, organic search. These are the numbers and the extensions. So when you see this all set up down below, you know that the call tracking is set up properly. And that's typically how you set up the call tracking for a partner. One thing I would like to mention before we end this video, if you do turn call tracking off, it will disable the phone number. So if you have executed any campaigns previously within the last week or so, and someone does dial that number that's within that marketing email, it will go to a disconnected phone number. So you do want to be careful when you turn on and off the trackable phone numbers because any emails or marketing collateral that you're using with that number in it, if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to anyone. As always, if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, you can email us at service@structuredweb.com. Thank you.